can use Hello guys, and in this lecture we will be downloading the software we will use in order to learn how to program PLC. The software name is Codesys. Codesys is a really big company that provides PLC programming solutions for other companies. Say Wago or Schneider. Their programming platforms are all based on Codesys. So if you learn how to use Codesys, you will learn multiple brands all at once. And this software is totally free. There is no license required, there is nothing required. You can program in 6 languages and you can use all of them for free. And it makes perfect sense to use this software in order to train your skills and learn how to program complex stuff. The only disadvantage is that you cannot connect it to a real PLC. You can simulate whatever you want from visualization to algorithm, but you cannot really connect it to a real PLC. If you want to connect it to a real PLC, you need to pay for the license, and that's the only way to do that. Some softwares that are based on Codesys provide 30 days trial, and if you are interested in tinkering around with them, I will teach you in later lectures where to get these softwares and how to connect it to a real PLC. So that if you have a real project, you will know what to do. After you log into Codesys.com, you will need to create an account. So fill up the form and you will get a confirmation email that you need to click on it in order to activate your account. After that, log in with your new account and you are in the website. If you got lost inside the website and you cannot find the download link, just go to Google, write Codesys version 3.5 SP12 and you will find a link that will direct you directly to the download page. Select the version that is compatible with your OS. If it's Windows 32-bit, choose Windows 32 bits. If it's 64, choose 64. Press accept and start downloading. The size is around 1 GB, so it will take some time if your internet is slow. After it's done, open it and click on install. And it's a straightforward procedure. Finalize the installation and get ready because we are going to start learning how to program PLCs. See you in the next tutorial.